Ma ụmụ nwanyị na be di na-agbakwa n'ezi directly and indirectly, and so many of them amara na a na-agba n'ezi ha pụtakwa na social media ha na-asị na di m cheat I will go. Meanwhile ngwa na akon you are cheating indirectly. Nkwu so many of ụmụ nwanyị nọ na be di can ajụ their ex for money. Is that not cheating? It's cheating. Mana ịbịakwa na ị na-asị di m cheat mgbapụ di m cheat gbapụ na cheating bụ just iwere ike na amụ itinye ọhụ kọpụ ka ife anyị na-akpọ ya n'Igbo tinye together mena i cheat go. Of course not.
Ọmalịcha biko chukwu ma eje ewe n'iwe biko let me chip in na ifulu ihe okwu kịta na ichetalụ mgbe m gwa gị na ọ bụrụ ihe anyị na-eche ọ bụrụ ihe otu ụmụ nwoke si eche n'ihe a na-akpasuwa anyị iwe ifulu direction o si kịta na ordinary na ị nalụ your ex ego na cheating ka ọwụ ifu ka eche nke fade na eche nke anyị nwa continue ọmalịcha.
Ma nwaanyị ji kpọọ ya cheating because inwe ike nalịda agaghị ego ofu mbọsị inwe the opportunity ị ga-enye ya the other side of the cheating, and that's on period. And nwoke nọni na-enye nwaanyị ego nọ na be di o bukwa ya n'uche na ofu mbọsị opportunity ga-adị ọ napụ oge the thing straight up. So ịbịa na ị na-asị cheating dim cheat pụana dị this thing. Meanwhile onwe wing once na cheat kwa ịma Christmas onwe ndị gasị na Christmas lue ha kpọọ everybody na contact fa wish for happy Christmas. You na-wish ex happy Christmas. Ọ bụ na ị chọrọ cheat ni number one rule akwụfugada your ex ma onwe connection ka onwere connection o kwesị nọ na blocking straight up, because the same way ị chọrọ ka ụdị gị na-eso nwaanyị ọzọ akpa business ọ bụgodu na that your ex ga-enye gị that thing if feel no na future that will make you blow. Don't blow ebe ọ bụ na ị chọrọ cheat ni. But you're cheating by keeping contact with that ex. Nature that one day your connection will come from the ex. But I be on internet, everybody now see cheating, cheating, and I will still say this thing, no matter how you people call me, pick me. In a pump pick me, I'm not money picking because I've been picked. Nobody can pick me again. You understand? No chadi no. I am not looking for any other D. Or brought by force and everybody got known a bed till her won. So I didn't try to pick him. So if any chick will sorry, my husband was calling, I will call him back. If any chick kuneba is that let us stop saying in enable the men or something you cannot control. Let me now explain something to you. When I was growing up in a MAU service na Medugri, one Benue woman bekona sim ha time go reach yourself, you no go know whether your husband on the agbazi nezi or whether agbanezi, because in go abo nwanyi ka agugo gi nye ihe o suppose na eli mbekwansi atofia kwa na-ekpe. But maturity and so many things come in place. Like Indiara woman because Indiara, she said something that is very important. If you feel you personally cannot live based on some certain things, it is for your own sake. She made a very, very valid point, neighbor. This man nasi, Obuefi nasi, grow, focus with your husband. Unfocus is here with this my man. 20 years later, 30 years later, you build go estates, houses. You say mo po makana gini na obanezi. Mbano. So if you are empty, some people know they cheat on women because you have nothing. If you like have money, if your man wants to cheat, he will cheat. It doesn't have to do with you having money. You have to understand this thing. It doesn't have to do with your beauty that makes your man cheat. Also, a mama, diko ubanje, if he wants to go outside, he will go outside. Also, get your 2 legs, they be like this every night. If he wants to go outside, he will go outside. Also, get set your boundaries. Oh, you boni na aso. Woke chiganezi gaganezi. I don't suppose but you can't control it. The only thing I would advise Madubo, open was a chronic cheat. If I not chronic cheat, a friend of mine was telling me, oh, but I don't want to mention her name here. The one year kobo somebody he knows but HIV bunye munye hana bo anwa hapoze ụmụaka. It's actually a bad thing. It's actually a bad thing. I'm not going to say I'm supporting men or women that cheat. But let me be sincere with you. If men now banezi the 60%, why now banezi the 80%. So let us all stop all these things in our social media. Stop pretending. Gone are the days I got pretending for something.
So, the confidence or what are your facts?
I've always told you, even na lubumbu na Nigeria before Mbiayeba. I na me ife na gani. It's just that I na sign the contract, don't say things. But on a center of where everybody, both men and women, come to, sometimes Hane Weligi as their problem solver, go get some things. You know, we hear things. We hear things. It's like a market where everybody, rich, poor, come to. So I know full things. I know my gani no wa. Aside that, I have friends. Aside that, how old I can know now 25 years in Gasna a warm experience of things that are happening. What I'm just saying here, I can never be an enabler of cheating men. But let's silence some things. Where we know if a princess could be Ezioku, we all come and say, hey, if he does, I'm going to leave. I'm going to leave. Meanwhile, they are the ones that are even cheating on. We that we are saying it here, our men might not even be cheating on us. That's the truth. Meanwhile, I say, oh man, now we go. I may go for me. So let us be careful who we listen to. The way I'm handling my marriage, you're different from the way you will handle your own marriage. So you can't come and tell me that people go, Chukwumerije, when I finish saying this thing online, no matter this game will change. Some people say, hey, HIV, I see herpes, as well, and I had to call people randomly, women.
It's our men are not even cheating, but I can assure you, get one over here. What to hear? Some of them they drink married men, single boys, single this, single father. Many of them get bit in boss. They bargain how with the biggest cheater. Some of them.
Should I tell you the truth? If you go more kind on your box, if anything, there was the time I stopped coming to your life. You don't come to life. Just come. I'm not being on a life like this. You understand? The reason why I started wearing this wig, because I'm just a phone on Facebook. So what can they go okay? Because my colleagues, my friends, they keep saying, oh, Chukwumerije. So I decided to start looking good. But my looking good used to cause me trouble on your platform. Because even they married, by the time I just bought well like this, if full messages, hey baby, hey, this one, even when they know that I'm married. Even when they know not married. Obuefinasi is a secret place, or where God has the gods are lying inside. Men wants to lie down with the gods inside that place. And Yoruba, they don't know what unso is anymore. They don't know what unso is anymore. So many of the men don't know what unso is anymore. And that's the truth. What I'm just trying to say here, so many of us, we cheat indirectly and we'll be claiming that we don't know that we are cheating. We are cheating. So let's take a chill on this cheating thing. When I was single, a broom deadly infection. Or brother on our marriage can get deadly infection. And like I always say, Obro know like this in this my age and time. Ne lo my demon easy. When we have empire to build, when we have things to think about, I have children to raise. And I keep telling you something, Chukwumerije. There are some things okay making our marriage cheating abulo believe. Enough cheating, now so this man they cheat on me than emotional abuse this man in a name. Than physical abuse this man in a name. But I need be a cheating thing like this. I need pay they can almost see also involved in this. Some people see my deal break. I know so Oyibo can na cheating. But what I'm just trying to say here is that women cheat more than men. But we're the ones that are just shouting about it. If they married, okay, who are the people dating the married men? Even the singles are looking for men they did not see. Onye didn't date, is it the married men? It's still some married women that are dating these married men, up and down. So when all of us just keep talking like this, Onye na-emezi the sin. Who is doing the sin? Men, please, for the sake of Umuwanyi Debe no. And Chukwumerije, I will still say something to tomorrow. Sometimes some cheating are mistakes. Me like ya, me like Roya. I have a weak point as a woman. And my weak point, bo, manya. Hey, Abania, bo Abania. Now, if my husband are not wrong so or not wrong with me, nga go do any party or anywhere in Jakwifuga manya, adema won manya. So some women do like that. How music have one manya? Imagonu, if you are not around, her one manya, her lose well control. You know your weakness. You know how to discipline yourself. You avoid it. Now, mistake Amadi. That's the same thing that happens to some men. Some men like this, how one manya like this? Oh, hagaga with boys out, boys out. And we kelly one boy a pimp. Nime hani nebu friends. One man na becally a pimp. Married men na bo pimp. Or probably young men or women a pimp. Working a pimp wine to their fellow married men. Happy pizel mwani biazia. You understand? Go abuzi a righteous husband. Ilago manya. Ibanya ni me room gi. Hana pogi oko. Daddy hadunye gi wine. Hasi wine enter inside do your job. Ilago manya. Hey, do get the job. It's already a mistake. Oburangu wa me mani mego. It's not a mistake. So God forbid. Omeze in my own aspect like that. It's more because Nadim mezi like that can happen a marriage in build go with so many my strengths.
Ishina family ana akpo iwonye death ishina family ha na akpo forgiveness bụ ihe anyị eri. Or family akishi because all them can now forgive go. All them can now forgive go.
Oh my hen believe n'ụwa. Chukwumerije, just me myself. And may believe that when you forgive people, your doors open. Doors to a lot of things, good things open. And it's just me and my personal self with God that have that in my mind. So you made me here like this. The following day, I've moved on. I've forgiven you. I didn't may believe no in a boo if no be if I got galonia. So that is my own personal belief. So for me, this is my own opinion, and I'll keep saying it. If one I say no, God forgive you, dear, don't come online and come and be saying, why will you do such a thing? You are an enabler, you are a pick me. Don't say that. Talk for your own self. If you cannot forgive your husband, no problem. Try no. In fact, bulu ibugi for no. But allow people to air their own opinion, how they feel about it. Then as for nke I risi ni jidego. Ijidego as a woman, no, I think I understand him in a better way. Sorry that they were just, hitting you hammer everywhere. What he was trying to advise Princess, so if I understood him better, was that on a dema can you seen early in like na him chota a partner before we nkeleke go again because of the way umuoke sa for wine. Let me be sincere with you. Many of us wine Chukwumerije were very disrespectful. Let's call a spade a spade. And you be very, very disrespectful. With that money, and you need the rego to be disrespectful. Now, it is a disrespectful. Baby, will easy go to me ya. Now, digi gwa yoku, it go disrespectful. It's going when ya is going to be excess on the man. Now, let me now explain something again to you, Chukwumerije. It go quite disrespectful, but the man will always see it. No, make going way. That is why I be agwamoku like this. And many of us that are women, we allow money to control us. Not even women, even men. But when it's on the women's side, it's excess. Ayiji the ene go, so many of us, I'm not saying all of us, when we have money like this, the way I like, you can't feed me now. What do you have? You can't buy me my hair now. My hair is 3 million. You understand? I know working like I have no command. But I will advise you women today, pursue your money. After you have chased your money, find a man that has money more than you and go for the man. Don't go for a man that is broke if you know you have money. When you go for a man that is richer than you, your marriage will still be okay because the man will not be seeing you as a threat. But when you go for a man that doesn't have money, that you are having money more than, you will always be a threat in that man's life. Although not all men. Some men don't even look at women's money. They don't care how much you make. And they already have that understanding that so they don't even used to itinye ya as nsogbu, bullies ya n'isi, na chozonya ga megide, na see you don't have respect for me. No. And kudos to the men. Nida adun munyefa, how much is your salary? What do you make? Kudos to those men. And if you're one of these men in this today world, God bless you all. And the best thing that will happen to you, sister, any sister in this world, is to have a man that will never know how much your salary is and the man is not interested in your salary. It doesn't mean that you not contribute to the house, but he doesn't authorima meaning any 1 million, meaning any 2 million. With this type of man in your life, he doesn't care. You understand? And okay, let me also tell you people something. When you see that this woman has money more than you, and you know yourself, inferiority complex, it's not compulsory that you must toast that woman. It's not compulsory. I swear. Oduro compulsory. They said cut your coat according to your size. As me as I'm a woman, if I'm a man tomorrow, inferiority complex doing me, with a woman having money more than me, I will not toast a woman that have money more than me. And that's on period. Many men want a woman that has money, just like as I am like this. I will never in my life ask my husband, send me money for food. Why? Food. Send me money for food. Or I will come. I check electricity bill. Send the money for electricity bill. I will do it. And when he wants to pay, all man does is put the money in his own folds. Must not 100 folds. You understand? And that is how some people live. So as is now one year making ego, woman can make their money. Hires do not go to them for toasting. I said no, let me come up on this board and correct that part.
Okay, one name. Oko na achọrọ m ka ikwuo before princess.
Melije, biko ihe a na-ekwucha m. Melije ihe a na-ekwu ka m kwutunu 1 minute to correct it.
Ọmalịcha, biko, next time your husband plug in a phone, attend to him first before you attend to any other person. Oh? That's a sign of this. That's the highest sign of disrespect.
The problem we are having here. My husband knows Chukwumerije. And anytime I talk about
it doesn't mean Maria. That's the highest sign of disrespect. And for you to even say that no, your husband, the
problem we are having
very
here.
big disrespect.
You are in your marriage. My own marriage. If I finish now, I will call my husband. I'll say I'm on Chukwumerije. And go say I guess so. Understanding the name her. I keep telling people something. Marriage is not by the book. It is by you and your own man. You understand? Don't come and tell me how I should do my marriage. Seem not disrespect. If you go, marriage or bro afofo.
Ogbuefi ekwughị under bad intention. O kwuru under no writing. But ebe ịkọwala ya ọghọtago maybe ihe awụ otu unu shikwado ịghọtago. Mana ahụ na ya na o kwuru ya na o nwere wrong mentality. Ọghọtaghị mana ọwụ wrong mentality. O gwara gị based on o feel na ya wụ the right thing ekwesịrị ime. Mana ọwụ you have to put him through na ya lekwe ịghọtago. So